Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to teach you what an AI token is, an explanation of LLM tokens. So let's see, here we have certain chats of certain artificial intelligence agents, artificial intelligence chats that we usually use normally. As for what AI tokens are, this will be a basic unit of data of these large language models, also known as LLMs, which they read and process. It does not equal exactly one word because it can be a full word, a fraction of a word, a punctuation mark, or a space. These are used to break down the information before analyzing it. The importance of this is because every 100 tokens are approximately equivalent to 17.5 words in English. Regarding Spanish, this ratio is a bit lower because more tokens are needed due to the length and complexity of certain words. Therefore, in this case, certain artificial intelligence such as ChatGPT also handle tokens. However, if we want to view the number of tokens we have and what we have left, that cannot be seen in the free version. Nevertheless, regarding Google Gemini, it can be visualized. If we prefer to Claude, we won't be able to do it either. In Gemini, if we go to the settings area and head to the use limit section, here we will be able to see the usage we are giving it or the tokens we have. In this case, it will appear as a percentage. With this, we will obviously be able to adapt ourselves or adapt the prompts we send to save tokens. This is very important to know, as tokens are very interesting to look after. In this case, you want to get the most out of the artificial intelligence you are using in this case. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.